Hello friends, welcome on Accessible Resource YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. Friends, Auto TTS is crashing regularly. Multilingual TTS is not supporting with the latest Android versions of the phone. Don't worry, we have brought a perfect solution of all your problems. You can able to use your phone with screen reader easily without using Auto TTS and multilingual TTS. Today, we are going to talk about excellent and mind-blowing features of multibs. Yes, friends, in the previous video, we have already shown you how to configure multi-TTS, how to import voices. So, in this video, we will discuss an interesting features of multibs. Friends, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe and do not forget to set the notification to all for getting our unique videos latest update. If you have not joined on our Telegram and WhatsApp community, please join. Link of our Telegram and WhatsApp community is found in the about section of our YouTube channel. So friends, without wasting our time, let's get started the video. I am going to open multibs, means multi-TTS.
Home. One UI Home.
Okay.
AZ screen page 4 of 4.
Now I am going to
Multi TTS.
yes, multi-TTS. I am going to open multi-TTS.
Multi permission request.
Okay. After opening this app and swiping left to right to find out the navigation drawer.
SPE speed. Volume. PIT pitch. Open nav. Select open navigation drawer.
Yes, I have found open navigation drawer. Just click on that. Okay. After clicking on open navigation drawer, just swiping left to right.
Multi TT. Compose sounds for word. Multi TTS. VONE.
2
unchecked settings.
settings,
2 row 2 column unchecked replacement. 3 row 2 column unchecked roles.
uncheck roles. Just click on that uncheck roles.
Multi TTS.
Okay. We have clicked on uncheck role. Now I am swiping from left to right.
Back.
Role management,
Search.
search,
Add.
Just click on that add.
Edit new role.
Edit new role. Now the interface appears here. I am swiping left to right.
Edit new role.
Role
match mode. Unchecked show drop down menu.
Uncheck show drop down menu. This is the role match mode's uncheck show drop down menu. I am just clicking on that.
Pop-up window.
A pop-up window has opened in front of me. Now I am swiping from left to right.
1 unchecked text. 2 unchecked language.
2 unchecked language. I am going to select language, so I am clicking on that.
Unchecked show drop down menu.
Yes. After that I am swiping left to right.
Afrikaans text box role name.
Afrikaans text box role name.
Afrikaans language.
By default Afrikaan is selected.
Unchecked show drop down menu.
Now next drop down menu is the languages. I am just clicking on that.
Pop-up window.
Okay. Now I am swiping left to right.
1 checked Afrikaans.
Check Afrikaans.
2 unchecked Aragonese.
3
unchecked. 4 unchecked Asturiano. 5 unchecked. 6 unchecked. 7 unchecked. 8 unchecked Brezoneg.
Lot of languages are appearing. I am going to select here English.
9 10 11 12 13 14 15 unchecked English.
Yes.
Unchecked show drop down menu.
I have selected English. After selecting English, the interface will show you
English language.
English
text box role name.
I hope you have understood.
English unchecked show drop down menu.
Now the next drop down menu is appearing.
Soga.
TTS engine group. Unchecked show drop down menu.
Soga.
TTS engine group.
By default Soga TTS is selected. Now I am swiping left to right.
Unchecked show drop-down menu.
Uncheck show drop down menu. This is the engines drop down menu. We have to select TTS engine right now.
Pop-up window.
Yes, a pop-up window has opened after clicking on show drop down menu. Now I am swiping from left to right.
One checked.
One check.
Soga.
TDS.
Okay.
2 unchecked MSC TTS.
MSC TTS.
3 unchecked Microsoft.
Microsoft. I'm just clicking on that Microsoft.
Unchecked show drop-down menu.
You can also able to click on that like Google TTS, Samsung TTS, all that things, whatever comes in front of your pop-up window. So now I'm swiping left to right.
Microsoft Mark Roll Voice.
Yes, Microsoft Mark Roll Voice.
Unchecked show drop-down menu.
Uncheck show drop-down menu. This is the voices drop-down menu. Okay, I'm just going to click on that.
Checked.
Okay, checked.
One checked Microsoft Mark.
Yes, I have only one voice in this Microsoft TTS engine, so I am just clicking on that Microsoft Mark.
Recents. Back. Home. One checked Microsoft. Unchecked show drop-down menu.
Yes, after selecting the voice, I am swiping left to right.
Default role group.
Default role group.
Unchecked show drop-down menu.
Uncheck show drop-down menu.
Abstract role.
Abstract role. Now after that there is a checkbox. There is a checkbox. You will check on that.
Unchecked checkbox.
Uncheck checkbox. Yes, you will just simply click on that.
Check checkbox.
Yes. After checking on that, the box, you just try to find out confirm by swiping from left to right. I am swiping from left to right to find out confirm.
Activate. Check check. Forward match. Check check. Backward match. Check check. Default. Cancel.
Cancel.
Confirm.
Confirm. Just click on that confirm. Okay, I have clicked on confirm.
Add.
Then the automatically options again comes to the add. Focus comes to the add. Simply if you want to add more language on that, just click on add, then select, go to the pop-up menu, then select role, language, then just select voice, just check on abstract menu, then click on confirm. It will be set again. So the same process is following, which I have explained earlier in this video. Thank you friends. Stay well. Bye bye.